Hey, what's going on, guys? Asad here, and in this tutorial, I'm gonna talking about the polymorphism. Poly means many, and morph means form. The we already talked about the encapsulation, that how we put many methods and what we call property inside a single object, like a real life object. And after that, we talked about inheritance, and then we talked about what we call why I'm forgetting, keep forgetting, man. Um, the what we call the inheritance, the abstraction. We go depth into the abstraction. So the when we do the polymorphism, the thing is, in the next tutorial, how just I'm show you that we get the rectangle form with a rectangle area in a different shape. So let's think about a different shape. Yeah, you're right. If you're thinking about circle, yeah, I'm doing with circle. So now, how to what is the can you say the what is the area for circle, you know? I think you know. So pi r square. So how are we gonna do that? What we need to do is just take this from here and control plus C and control plus V, and then we need to put the inside here. What we need to put, the thing we need to put is math.py. So math.py. So and r square. So here radius is the r. So what we need to do is pi into r. This dot radius, this dot radius, that's column radius, and power 2. As you know, this is the formula for the what we call the circle, and we need to put circle here. So circle. When we're done with that, just we can get this by just calling. First we need to create a prototype for that though. So const, oh yeah, we already created it. So here it's 5, and now we can do c dot area, and we can call this, and we can get that. See, it's the area for our what we call our constructor. So this is the answer, and the weirdest thing is the pi is in total form. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste 7. That would be a better, I guess. Oh no, I just forgot about that. What I'm gonna do is instead of math pi, what I'm gonna do is use the 22/7. Yeah, this is probably the same, but the floating point object gave me headache, you know. So yeah, 154. That's a good number, you know. So this is what it does. And now the next thing, as you can see, we are in a problem. There are lots of time we use the same property over and over. So what we need to do is first I need to clear the polymorphism. So first think about, we are creating an array of objects. So just call it as shapes, not apes. Shapes, shapes, shapes. And inside the array we will put new, first new, a new circle object, and another is new what we call rectangle object. So, and we can iterate each and every one of them by just using the for loop. So for let shape in shapes here, and what we can do, this is a powerful function. See this, that is very important if you are seeing this. So shape dot what we call area. So this is the way you can get the areas of all time. Wait, shape in oh, off, it would be off. Yeah, that's great. So here we get this, and the weirdest thing is we forgot to pass anything. Even though these are areas. So let's do into 3, and we will take here as 7. So 154 and 23. So, and yeah, we need to remove this because it's weird. So yeah, the area is 6. I'm removing the area for simplicity purpose, as you know me before. So yeah, 154 and 6. But if we using a different paradigm than object oriented programming, we will be in trouble to do this, because we need to first like that. First we need to do like if I just saying this, not anything. So shape, first we need to check the shape, and then we need to take type. So, and then it would be equals to circle. That would be a big mess, you know. And then again we need to, then if it's circle, then we need to call the circle, you know, think about that. The method call of circle will be area, circle area, like that. So it would be a big problem if then we need to put else if. So when we do this kind of thing, it's a big mess, and not just it would be a spaghetti code, that would be a big problem. So in the best thing about the one of the best thing, I mean, this 4 are the best thing. So the way the polymorphism works, that it is awesome. We can put 1,000 of objects, and we can do like I'm gonna put one more rectangle, like 2-3 more rectangles. What I'm gonna do is just copy it, Command plus C, V, enter V, and what I'm gonna do is, if you ever know the C or any ConjuScript, those are and Elm, these are non-object oriented programming. If you ever use this, you will understand that how big of a mess will be if we don't use this kind of syntax. So that's an awesome thing. You can get that, like, see,